What's up, guys? I just doing a post on Facebook and stuff. I don't know why I do this. I guess I hope for viewers. What's up, guys? I just doing a post on Facebook and stuff. I don't know why. That's great. Now they'll be echoey of me. This is amateur hour over here. Sorry, my bad. See what happens. See if somebody was planning on watching this. All right. Let's get back over here. All right. I give you the update bar. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go there. Where the heck is it? Balance update. All right. This is my current balance of my account. We are up $1 and some change on this. We were up $5 more than this. You can see right here. But I placed a trade. I did place a trade into the close of the day, and this is what the matter of this video is. So you can see all of that. All right, end that crap. What up, everybody? Welcome to the Russel Journal. My name is Russell, and this show is called From 10 to a Million. I started with $10. I am trying to get to $1 million, and let's hope we can do it all in one night. Get rich in your sleep. Okay, that's not happening. I get that. All right, whatever. Okay. So today, basically, placed a pretty conservative, took a long position, rolled into it, made a few bucks. Again, limited kind of by which options I can buy, which is, just life, So I'm not being able to get in the money or close to the money contracts. So my ability to day trade or scalp on these is really limited to smaller amounts. And I have this really nasty habit of not being able to hold a position for multiple days. I'm not good at this. I sweat and stress and freak out about it. I like to take my money at the end of the day and put it into my pocket. I don't like to let things linger. I have been reading a book. As I told you, it's my fourth time through. We talked about it yesterday, and I know I'm going to have to look at taking longer, bigger positions all the way around, because in order to make this really work and make it grow at any level, look at the bigger swings on things. Okay, so I'm getting there. Just give me some time, because I've been a day trader for 2 years now. It seemed to make a lot of sense, and it's worked for me. But it definitely has not made me affluent or wealthy or, put huge sums of money. It's been a nice side hustle. That's about all I can say. It's like a hobby / side hustle. So you can see right here, again, this is my balance, kind of where we are on the bar and how we sort of line up on everything right there. Just dandy. All right. Okay, so getting into today and tomorrow. Okay, so the Bulls have really had their week, okay, starting last Friday all the way through this week. So far, it has been just bananas, and it's really tough because the trade I took is a short position. And what they tell you, okay, so there's a few sayings on the old Wall Street, okay? The very first one is the trend is your friend until the end, all right? Right now, we are in a bull trend, okay? And that is, it is moving up, and it's moving up fast, and it's moving up hard, and it's doing good. However, I saw a lot of the price action slowly accumulating today. I saw it, slowly pushing. It's moving a lot more. The last 2 days, towards the beginning and towards the end, we saw some bigger pushes, but throughout the most of the day, it was very, very conservative. Okay. Now, this is what I think. Okay. This is sort of what I think about what's happening. Okay. Everything in your trading typically revolves around what's called the catalyst. And this is some bit of news that's either good or bad. All right. Now, regardless of what this news is or what this catalyst is, there is a saying on Wall Street, another one, and it says, buy the rumor, sell the news. Okay. Tomorrow, we are getting two very important reports. One is the unemployment numbers. This is important. Okay. Those unemployment numbers. And the other one is the consumer price index. We are going to get the core inflation data for January. Okay. I am expecting the unemployment numbers to continue to be low and to be good. Okay. That is going to probably not change. And the truth of the matter is, it probably couldn't change if it wanted to. Everybody who had unemployment used it throughout the pandemic, and now they don't even if they wanted it, they probably couldn't get it. Even if they qualified, they don't qualify. You know, if they do qualify for it, somebody is getting it. All right, fine. All right. Number two, okay? So I'm expecting that to be good, and I'm expecting the bulls to want to run on that information. What I am expecting is that CPI data to come in very high. I am looking at probably anything above 7%, okay? And the reason I'm looking there is because when January came, when we hit the new year, okay, a lot of companies have raised their prices in January, okay? And I, for the first time, have been seeing those higher prices in stores. I paid $8 the other day for Chuck, okay? Chuck is like typically, I mean, it's good, but it's typically one step before hamburger. They pretty much turn Chuck, they grind Chuck into hamburger, okay? Now that I can tell you because I'm a chef, or I was a chef. Doesn't really matter. Who needs an appeal to eat those? All right. So what I'm really hoping is that in the morning when those CPI, now the other reason why I took my put position tonight, okay, the CPI data comes out at 8:30. It comes out a full hour before the market opens. So if that CPI data causes a massive move down, I will not be able to capture that move before the market opens. Okay. So I am expecting a massive move down. Don't have any clue what's going to happen here. And the reason is because the bulls have driven things up so high. But we have seen it. You can. I'm going to go to the chart here in a minute, and I'm going to show you on the chart where this came out and derailed everything before. And I'm going to show you where they did the same thing right before the FOMC meeting, and it derailed them before. So I'm really counting on past history to repeat itself in order to capture a pretty decent move. Okay, and so bear with me as we're going to go over, and we are going to switch to the chart. Okay, that is not the chart. There we go. All right. All right, we're going to, first of all, we need to get rid of a whole bunch of lines. Oh, that's the wrong one. We need to delete. Like I said, it's amateur hour over here. I have a lot of anxiety about this trade. Okay. This is what I want to zoom in and I want you to see. Okay. So the last CPI data came out on January 12th. Okay. That is this day right here. Okay. I probably need to get out of the way. All right. Now give me 1 second. I've got that set up. All right. Let's get rid of this for you. Let's get rid of this for you. Okay. I'll draw a line right there so you can see it. Okay, and then we need to go to the 26th. Okay. There we go. All right. So these two lines, this first one right here, this is the first time we got the CPI report. Okay. I'm going to make sure we can see this. First of all, close that crap. Okay. Okay. Look at the 2 days before. Look at this right here. Look at this 1-2 candle run up. Okay. We had green days. They bought the rumor. And then we get this whole move to the downside when that CPI report happened. Okay. That's the first thing I want to see. There is proof of this. Now, the one caveat to this is we didn't have the massive bull run that we're having now when that happened. So give me 1 second. We're going to show you another. We're going to look at the FOMC meeting. Okay. Now, oh, God damn it. Okay. Again, we have the run up 2 days before the FOMC meeting. And then the FOMC meeting comes all the way down here, and we continue into this bottom here. All right. So again, really looking at this going, we have two instances around these reports where we bought the rumor and then they sold the news. Okay. Now, going into the current run. Okay. Came back. We caught this bottom. We started moving up, got the pullback, and then we have this run up right here. Okay. Now, you've got 4 days of buying in a very sketchy market. Okay. So, in a scared market, you've got a lot of hedging going on. You've got a lot of stuff happening. And so it is very well possible. Now, look, this set of candles at the top up here and this one over here is pushing up above it. That is technically a breakout. What I will say is I believe it is going to fail because of those CPI numbers. Okay. So if you're looking here, our price target will be kind of down here around where the bottom of this candle is. I will put a line there so that we can see what the exact price is. It's right around near my strike. Okay. Again, if this trade holds, and again, if I've anticipated this correctly, that they will sell the news, and I'm very likely wrong. Okay. Listen, 4 days ago, 4 trading days ago, they knew this CPI data was going to come out. 4 trading days ago, they knew that shit was coming. Why the fuck are they buying it before it comes out and they know it's going to be bad if it's just going to sell off? But they've done it before because this is what they do. They've traded it all the way from 197 all the way up to 207, almost 207. It's 206. That's a 10-point swing. Okay. That's a $10 freaking move all the way up to here. So okay. So now that's cool. 10 points. That's a pretty good chance they're going to take profit on that. Pretty good shot at that. The news is out. We have the news. They can sell the news. We have plenty of reasons for them to put volatility back into this market. Okay. Now, here is the counter thesis. Okay. We're going to go back. The only fundamental thing that is different in this market at this time than what we saw before. Okay. The only thing that is different is one, there's probably a bit of a feeling that the market has priced in any Fed rate hikes, any inflation. Okay. That is possible. Okay. This is what could derail this trade. I'm going to be playing with a very tight stop loss and not risking a whole lot. Okay. We're hoping if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm not going to feel bad. I didn't risk my entire position. I've only got about a third of my money into this trade. So I'm fine. I can recover, and the option doesn't expire till Friday. So my premium's probably a little more safe than not. But again, here's kind of hoping that I get this, and just to be honest with you, it's technical. I don't hope the market crashes. I don't hope we have a recession or a depression and things are really, really bad. I'm not really interested in hunting the rats and eating them. Okay. I really like the normal life, but what I am saying is this evaluation here doesn't quite yet make sense. Okay. Not even in really forward looking. We are way above that, and we're way above that with QE. And that means we're unhealthy. So I'm willing to take advantage of something that's unhealthy so that we can get healthy. Okay. All right. Now, where are we at with this? So the counter trade to this is there's one indicator. Okay. So obviously it's possible that we have priced in everything. Okay. Which basically means anybody who's wanted to short this as a hedge has now shorted. They've covered their bases, and now they're going long, right? They're buying long positions. All right. So it is possible they're not going to care. And I will tell you, there's a little bit with what I saw. I'll transition back. We'll go back over to the chart. Look, man, couple of these moves tell me they don't care. Stocks only go up. This is what some of this says. Okay. That's what some of that says to me, is that they really genuinely don't give a crap. So who knows? All right. This one indicator shows like this balance between hedging and long positions, and Chase has got it. JP Morgan Chase put out, and it's reached its sort of pivot point where it says it's time for the market to go up. So it's possible that they may just be like, yeah, fuck it. It's going to go up. All right. We're going up. Up we go, and we're going up. All right. I can't do anything about that. Trading discipline and trading thesis tells me that's as high as that's going for a while. That is what that says. So that's what that tells me. So we will see. I will be happy to report tomorrow on whether I do good or whether I do bad. So with all that being said, you guys have yourself a good night, and pretend I said some sort of catchphrase, and I guess that's it.